Well, we're starting to see that weather pattern shift from the first half of the day. It was pretty nice earlier. Now we have lots of cloud coverage around the region. Boise's very dark and cloudy, as is Twin Falls and McCall. Sun Valley, still a little bit of blue clear skies, but those clouds are rolling in. It's a good sign of how unstable our atmosphere is right now. What we're really going to need to watch over the next several hours into this evening are those wind gusts. So looking at this graph, it looks like we could see wind gusts easily above 25 miles per hour, but we have the potential of seeing gusts from 35 to 55 miles per hour around the region this evening. So that's enough to lift trampolines, that could knock over fences, could beat up some plants, definitely blow around some loose patio furniture. So if we look at these wind gusts, you can see they're starting strongest in eastern Oregon and the lower Treasure Valley. As the hours progress, those winds are going to slowly travel in the southeast direction, getting closer and closer to the Magic Valley. Now, these winds could continue to come and go all the way through midnight, but it looks like the worst hours of those winds are going to be between 6 and 10 p.m. or so. Looking at the storm chances for today, this dark green color is showing that we have a marginal risk or a level 1 risk of seeing severe storms. So that's much of Oregon, but then also parts of western Idaho, including Boise. So again, not a guarantee that everyone will encounter a storm, but it is a possibility. And then most of the central area of the state in general has a chance at seeing some quicker moving storms or maybe some less hard-hitting storms as well. Looking at our satellite and radar over the past couple of hours, you can see showers are going strong in Twin Falls, south central Idaho area. Eastern Oregon getting the most of that convective activity with lightning right now. Those are going to continue moving in that northeast direction. But overall, Malheur County, Baker County in Oregon, and then the lower Treasure Valley and Weiser Basin. So this big area right here has the best chance at seeing severe storms this afternoon, although it is possible in other areas as well. Because if we look at our future cast this afternoon, you can see those storms do get really heavy in that area that I just pointed out, but they do roll through portions of the Treasure Valley as well, even as far south as Mountain Home, Elmore County, and then those showers will probably continue moving north. So by midnight or so, they're mostly out of our area, mostly north of the Central Mountains, but some showers could continue into the overnight hours. So depending what time you commute to work Monday morning, you could potentially encounter some wet roads or some showers. We do still have a red flag warning in place until 9 p.m. tonight. Right now, it's only in eastern Oregon. Nothing in Idaho quite yet, but that could change at any time. And it's that time of season when we just need to be aware of fire conditions overall. We do have a cooler air mass moving into the region tomorrow, so it's going to drop our temperatures quite a bit. We could still see some storms and showers lingering, like I said, in the morning, but then possibly returning again in the afternoon, Abby.